Hello, I'm Mark Smith from the Social Media Research Foundation. The Social Media Research Foundation supports and maintains the NodeXL Pro application. NodeXL Pro enables easy access to network insights inside the familiar Microsoft Excel spreadsheet application. NodeXL Pro is the easiest way to get insights into a connected structure like a network, or social media network. For many years, NodeXL users needed a Microsoft Windows PC with Microsoft Office to use the application. Now the Social Media Research Foundation is pleased to announce the availability of NodeXL Pro Cloud Edition. Using the NodeXL Pro Cloud Edition, users of almost any device, Macs, tablets, and older PCs, can now easily and remotely access NodeXL Pro through most web browsers. To access your own instance of the NodeXL Pro Cloud Edition, visit the NodeXL Graph Gallery at nodexlgraphgallery.org. Select the Get NodeXL Pro link at the top of the page. From the list of available types of NodeXL, select the appropriate license level for you, and then click NodeXL Pro Cloud Edition. Check out through PayPal using any credit card. After subscribing to the NodeXL Pro Cloud Edition, you will quickly receive an email with information about access for your instance. To access your NodeXL Pro Cloud Edition instance, click the link provided. The Amazon AppStream service will now load your NodeXL Pro Cloud Edition. NodeXL Pro will appear, installed, and ready to use. When you first start your NodeXL Pro Cloud Edition, you will need to authorize the use of Office by logging into office.com. Your NodeXL Pro Cloud Edition instance comes fully configured with a wide range of data recipes, NodeXL settings, options, files that guide NodeXL in processing your network data from a variety of sources. Using these recipes, it is easy to configure NodeXL to import and process a range of social media network data, including Twitter, YouTube, wikis, Flickr, and other types of network datasets. NodeXL Pro Automation can process these datasets with just a few clicks from the user. The result is a fully featured report and analysis of the collections of connections found in that dataset. When your datasets are complete, you can upload them to the NodeXL Graph Gallery, where it is easy to share them with others. Files in your copy of NodeXL Pro Cloud Edition are retained for the duration of your subscription. You can transfer these files to other systems by configuring one of the pre-installed file sharing applications like OneDrive or Google Drive. Thank you for the interest in the NodeXL Pro Cloud Edition.